I don't want any of my subscribers or viewers to be in the same place next year as they are today. So take action now. There are so many skills on the internet to learn, so many opportunities, but the problem is that these opportunities come and go so fast. And it's becoming harder to even determine which skills are worth your time and worth learning. So, in today's video, I'll be sharing simple and easy skills that will be incredibly useful to you in 2025. These skills are high demand skills that you can use to earn money online while working from anywhere in the world. You can set your own hours, you can design the life that you want. I've saved a bonus tip for last, so make sure you watch until the end so that you can learn how to make money even in your sleep. Believe me, you don't want to miss the bonus points. So, without further ado, let's count down from number 8 to number 1, the most in demand skills for 2025. So, for number 8, I'll be going with cybersecurity skill. As we go more digital, cyber attacks are becoming a serious problem. Businesses need people who can, secure their websites, protect their data, and prevent cyber threats. So, this isn't a skill that is usually talked about, but it's high in demand and can be very lucrative because with so many businesses building websites and working online, cybersecurity will make you indispensable in 2025. Number 7, I chose virtual assistant and remote support. Businesses are outsourcing tasks these days like scheduling, email management, customer service. If you can learn, to use tools like Slack, Zoom, any project management software, you can work as a virtual assistant from anywhere in the world. And virtual assistant is all about being efficient and organized. So to stand out, it will really help if you learn and master these tools. For number 6, I chose stock trading and cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency and digital assets are becoming mainstream. Understanding blockchain, crypto wallets, trading strategies, you can open new streams. This skill can only grow in relevance in 2025 because so many people are diving into digital currencies. So it's a great field to explore. Number 5 is e-learning course creation. Online education is booming, and creating courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, the likes is a great way to earn. So whether it's, maybe teaching a language, teaching photography or a technical skill, there's always market for your expertise. People are looking to learn online. Take the advantage of this trend and jump on it. Number 4 is digital marketing and SEO. This is an evergreen field. By 2025, it will be about smart strategies. So learn how to run ads, optimize websites, search engine optimization, learn how to create viral content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Businesses are always looking for ways to get noticed online, and these skills will make you a valuable asset, because who doesn't want to rank number 1 on the search list? Okay. Then number 3 is web development and design. Websites are essential for businesses. And if you can create and design them, you will always have work. Believe me. Learn tools like WordPress, coding languages like HTML and CSS. And if coding isn't even your thing, you can try user experience, UI design. They are also very lucrative, so you might want to look into that. If you want any expansion in any of these things I'm saying, don't hesitate to leave your comments and I'll be happy to respond to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're getting value so far. Moving on. So number 2 is data analytics and visualization. Data is the new oil, and companies need professionals who can analyze and present it clearly. So you need to learn how to use tools like Excel, Power BI. There's Python for data analysis. This skill is highly paid for, and I see it only growing in demand in 2025, basically. So number 1, drum rolls, is AI powered content creation. It is going to be massively lucrative in 2025. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are reshaping content creation. So learn how to use these tools for writing blogs, creating ad copies, and designing social media posts. But don't stop there. Develop your creative thinking to enhance AI generated content and make it unique, make it your own. This is a skill that will make you unstoppable in 2025. Now, the bonus tip, which I promised to give you earlier, and this one is a game changer because it can generate you passive income. It is creating digital products. It's an excellent way to generate passive income and showcase your creativity. Digital products can be anything from ebooks to templates to guides, printable designs, toolkits, even apps. So, for example, if you're skilled in graphic design, or you can create social media templates and you can sell them online. If you're knowledgeable in any topic, you can write an ebook, you can write a checklist, you can create a digital course. There's so many ways you can go about this. And you can easily create this on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Canva. I can go on and on. The list is endless. So just learn how to create them, market them, and sell your product. So just to give you an example, I created a free digital product about how to add value to your business, how to give them that extra value so that they can keep coming. So I created a very quick digital product. I did this in a matter of minutes. All I needed to do was punch in my points, and it helped just make it look so beautiful and presentable. So if you want to learn how I did this, you can check the product in my description. Is totally free to use, so you can check it out. And if you want to create something like this, or something even more elaborate and aesthetically pleasing, just click the link in the description or in the pinned comments, and you will see the example. If you want me to teach you how I did that, I'll be more than happy to teach you. Also, if you want to have a one-on-one session with me, don't forget to click the link in the description. I'll also leave the link in the pinned comments. Okay, so if you want to have a one-on-one with me, that's fine. I always say, if you want to also ask me any question at all, just leave the question in the comments and I'll be happy to respond to you. But if you need that tailored, guide on or you want a more lengthy explanation, then you can book a one-on-one. But I'm fine with answering your questions in the comments. Okay, so now that I've shared these skills, it's your turn. Just start by identifying which of these skills align with your interests or your goals. And you can use free platforms. There are so many of them, like Coursera, there's LinkedIn Learning, there's Google Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. There's a host of them. And if you feel like you'll not take it seriously if it's free, just pay a token and you can learn so much online these days. I don't want any of my subscribers or viewers to be in the same place next year as they are today. So take action now. Let me know in the comments which of these skills you are most excited to learn about. And again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me, and I'll be more than happy to respond. And I usually respond within 1 to 24 hours. So just leave your question in the comments. You have no excuse not to make more money next year than you've made this year. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.